At Campbell Mechanical Services, we keep commercial buildings and systems running efficiently. Watch this video for information on optimizing your HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical systems.
Hi Alex, I have a couple questions about workplace productivity. How does your office environment affect your team's health and productivity actually?
Well, Jennifer, studies show that poor air quality and uncomfortable temperatures can lead to illness, decreased focus. A well-maintained HVAC system creates a healthier, more comfortable workplace, enhancing productivity.
Could your HVAC system actually be a secret weapon for boosting employees' morale?
Oh, absolutely. Employees appreciate working in comfortable environments. Improved air quality, consistent temperatures, and proper ventilations contribute to a positive work experience.
Is your current HVAC system tailored to the specific needs of your workplace?
Campbell Mechanical can help you customize HVAC solutions to optimize the productivity and well-being of your employees. To discover how HVAC can elevate your workplace productivity, reach out to your Campbell team member. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next Coffee with Campbell.
Whether it's a quick question or a challenge you need help solving, give your Campbell rep a call today.